ma'am, good evening. Ano po sineselebrate natin tonight?
It's Blizette and Benja's wedding.
Yay!
Ang kasal nila Benjamin and Blizette Lee.
Blizette and Benja's wedding.
Ang kasal ng aming matalik na kaibigan, si Benja at si Blizette.
Kasal ng dalawang matalik kong kaibigan, si Benja at si Blizette.
Of course, yung wedding ni Benjamin saka ni Blizette.
Hi ma'am, good evening.
Evening pa ba?
Ano pa ba? Kasal ni Benjamin and Blizette.
Wedding ni Benja at Bliz.
Let's go!
Wedding ni Blizette at ni Benja.
Let's go! Let's go! Wedding of Benjamin and Blizette C. Let's go!
Good evening po.
Hello po.
Ano po sineselebrate natin?
It's the birthday of Blizette and Benjamin.
Birthday?
Birthday,
Happy
sorry.
birthday!
Wedding.
Birthday. Ay, hindi.
Happy
Wedding.
birthday!
Let's go! Our birthday.
Birthday ng kapatid ko, si Blizette.
Happy birthday, Blizette!
Happy birthday. Ano pala? Wedding pala.
So we're celebrating the love of two very important people.
Ano po sineselebrate
Good evening sa
natin?
mga TFC subscribers natin dyan. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. So we're celebrating Benja and Blizette's wonderful wedding. Long time coming na to, pare.
Ang wedding po namin. At saka ang celebration ng pagmamahal ko sa isang babae at di na ako magmamahal na iba pang babae.
Napakatamis naman nun!
Let's fucking go!
Team groom or team bride?
Siyempre, Team Brian.
Siyempre Team Groom!
Siyempre, Team Groom. Siyempre, Team Bride.
Team Bride.
Team Groom, Team Groom.
Team groom, alright.
Pareho naman, pero siguro mas lamang ng Team Groom na.
Ayun.
Parehas. Oo.
Team Brian.
Team Groom.
Team Groom.
Team Bright, officially, pero meron kumingit na akong Team Groom eh. Pareho, syempre.
Punta mo lang team. Bragroom tayo, pare. Walang pilihan.
Friend or family?
Best friend!
Yun, for how long?
15 years?
15 years?
Sobra. Kababata.
Bestie.
Yun, for how long?
Since we were like grade 5. Oo,
naman.
tagal na.
Friend.
For how long?
College best friends ko yung dalawang yan.
For how long?
Ilang years na ba college? 13 years ago? Ay, 13 years, tama. 13 years, yes.
Friends, kabarkada ko sila. Tagal na, siguro since grade school.
Family. Pinsan ko si Benja.
Friend and family.
For how long?
For 18 years?
Pinaka-favorite part nyo ng wedding?
Wait lang, inisip ko ba eh.
It's their first dance together. Kasi it's a sign na parang sila Mr. and Mrs. na talaga. And it's very elegant, no? Tsaka may palipad-lipad pa, buwan-buwan.
Paning elegant. Sample.
Elegant? Elegant. Ayun. Bow.
Family feud, yung game.
Nag-enjoy ba?
Nag-enjoy ako. So, tsaka bago eh.
Siguro nung kumain, saka uminom, joke.
Pipili ako ng isa. Siguro yung... Teka, ang hirap ah. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Nung nagbabaw si Blizette at Benja, nakaka-touch eh. Tsaka ang galing ni Benja mag-English.
Tumatak ba sa isipan nyo?
Tumatak. Na-inspire ako sa love story nila.
Sample na nung line ng verse na konti lang.
Hindi ko na maalala eh.
Actually, marami kasi akong favorite kasi ang ganda talaga ng wedding nyo, by the way. Pero kung ano yung pinaka nag-stand out sa akin, maliban sa pagkain, saka sa alak, siguro yung mga yung SDE nila. Honestly, yung SDE nila sobrang ganda.
Of course, aside from the wedding itself, yung game. The game was really fun.
Seeing Benjamin drunk.
Siguro nung pinasayaw niya kami.
Nag-enjoy ka ba sa sayaw, sir?
Sa tingin mo?
Yung naglakad si Blizet sa aisle, tapos nag-aantay kami ng papa ko sa kanya, yun ang favorite ko.
Honestly, parang yung photography stuff.
Lahat, everything was perfect.
Tsaka siyempre yung libreng alak sa pagkain. Nung nakakalimutan yun, pare.
Favorite part ko sa wedding, totoo lang, yung mga videos na pinalabas. And excited na ako ipakita sa akin ng romantic reels anong mga nagawa nila.
Kung magde-dedicate ka ng song para sa couple,
Oh
anong
my
title?
God, ang hirap naman. Stay Together by Al Green. Search nyo yun, hindi nila alam yun.
Grabe naman, on the spot. Ano ba favorite?
Like for me, I Will Always Love You.
Why?
Wonderful Grace.
Oh my God, wait!
Iris, yung nilakad ng bride.
Song title, kailangan totoong song talaga yun.
Enchanted Taylor Swift. Kasi, lahat kami fans ng Taylor Swift.
Ba't ang hirap ng mga tanong niyo?
Every Kind of Way by Her.
By her?
Oo, kasi kita kung paano sila magmahal at grabe talaga.
Sample.
Hindi na. Baka bumagyo tayo. Di mo, yan na. Ikaw na lang kaya mag-sample.
Sample naman dyan.
Hindi ko memorize.
Few lines.
I wanna love you in every kind of way.
Wonderful Grace. Alam nila yun.
Let's stay together forever. Tama na, guys. Naloko niyo ako.
Forevermore.
Forevermore? Mukhang maganda nga talaga yun.
Oo, Byron, hindi ko yung kakantahin.
Sample lang, few lines.
No, I'm not drunk enough for that.
Ano ba yung kanta nila kanina nung naglakad sila? Basta yun. Yung Iris,
This club can't handle me right now.
Maganda yun, sir.
Pero di ko alam yung lyrics ah.
Nako, hindi ko kaya. Pagka nakaubos pa ako ng mga dalawa.
Just the way you look tonight.
Mukhang maganda yun, sir.
Siyempre.
Sample na, few lines na.
Hindi ko na kaya eh.
Kanta o sayaw?
Pwede bukas na? Kanta na lang?
Siyempre kay Top Suzara tayo sa Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang.
Just the way you look tonight.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Okay na yun, hindi niyo ako binabayaran.
I will always love you.
And I'll always love you.
Ay, hindi ko na alam.
Ibang kanta yata yung sa akin.
Siguro, birthday sex.
Birthday sex?
Gumawa na kayo ng anak.
Ayun, sample naman dyan, sir.
Birthday sex.
Ayun. Ano ba to? Sample naman, few lines na.
I was enchanted to meet you.
Enchanted siguro. Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift, Enchanted.
Oo, para sa akin.
Mukhang maganda nga, sir.
Maganda.
Sample naman dyan. Few lines. Chorus lang.
Wait lang, nakalimutan ko ano ba yung start ng chorus na. You, please don't be in love with someone else. Please don't have somebody waiting on you.
Daylight.
Daylight.
Taylor Swift, Daylight.
Tsaka
Make it clap. My name ain't Santa, but she's sitting on my lap. Oh!
Pasample naman ng Daylight.
our love
I
was
was
as
cool
good
as the cities I lived in. Ay, pwede ako.
everyone.
Look worse in the light.
Okay, pwede ba?
You be my new thing.
I wish you, both of you, very long and, hindi naman long. I mean, teka, rewind. Siyempre,
happy, even mag-away, magbabate agad, tapos always invite me at your house, you know, hang out pa rin, don't change, kahit magka-baby na. Charis, takot pala maging ano. Guys, invite niyo pa rin ako, kaya ko mag-alaga ng bata.
I wish you both endless happiness and we love you so much. Alam mo naman yon. Since grade 5 pa tayo, Blizzet, alam mo na yon. Love you, love you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so
much. Benja, I love you too.
Benja, Blizzet, loved you for so long and I still love you guys. I hope na you build a good family. I know you guys will take care of each other.
Benja and Blizzet, I wish you all the best. Sana ay maging happy kayo palagi. And ayun, sana magkita-kita pa rin tayong lahat.
Wish ko maging happy lang sila palagi, ganyan.
Good health and until gray and old na together kayo. So through thickness and in health. So yun na yun.
I'm always here if you need anything. I'm your Ate Mel. I love you.
Congratulate Benja and Blizzet. Many babies to come. Sigurado ako magiging masaya kayo sa isa't isa kasi sobrang bagay talaga kayo. Enjoy your honeymoon. Congratulate.
Happy marriage, happy wife, happy life. Yun lang!
Blizz, Benja, I wish you a lifetime full of happiness, full of love. Kaya every celebration, huwag niyo akong kakalimutan.
Congrats, Benja and Blizz. Mag-baby na kayo soon. And, inom pa tayo. Congrats.
I love you guys. I'm always here for you, full support.
Benja, Blizz, I love you guys so much. Congratulations, finally. Blizz, nakuha mo na yung wish mo. Congrats sa'yo. But yeah, I wish you both the best and wala. Happy birthday ulit.
Of course, I wish you good health, happy marriage, and happy life.
My wish for them is to always stick together no matter what happens in their relationship.
Okay, message para sa couple, maging seryoso ako, minsan lang to. So, Benjamin and Blizzet, congratulations. Sinabi ko nga sa speech ko kanina, no-witness ko, lumaki tayo sama-sama. Kasi pati yung bride ko, mabata namin. So, wishing you all the best. Sana ipagpatuloy nyo maging team. Kayong dalawa talaga sobrang solid nyo. Pag nag-aaway kayo, huwag nyo kakalimutan tong araw na to. Kasi kahit anong challenges pinagpagdaanan nyo, itong araw na to, ibabalik lahat ng memories and papaalala sa inyo kung gano'n nyo kamahal isa't isa. So stay strong, gumawa na kayo ng anak, sabay-sabay tayo gumawa ng anak para lahat magpipinsan.
You can be my new thing. The way that you move makes me go crazy. Pick it up now, drop girl. You can be my new thing.
Thank you sa lahat ng mga bisita. Thank you sa Romantic Reels. You are the best. Let's go. Tapos, thank you sa asawa ko. Mahal na mahal ko yan. Napakaganda ng asawa ko. Tapos, thank you sa DJ. Kasing laki kami. Pogi rin yan. Huwag sabihin. Thank you sa guest. Ang saya ngayong gabi.
Pero thank you sa lahat din talaga na umaten to celebrate with us.
Get sexy, girl, get sexy. Get sexy, girl, get sexy. Get sexy, girl, get sexy.
Ano gusto mo, girl o boy?
Ako? Saka para sa kanila? Siguro girl.
Girl.
Girl para sa kanila.
Anong pangalan?
Magbibigyan ko ng pangalan anak nila? Ay, gusto ko yan. Aldricha.
Aldricha. Thank you, sir. Thank you.